So when an SEO has done all their work and they need to measure it, how do they start? Where do they go?
So there's a few different tools that all SEOs should use because they come directly from the source. So for example, Google Analytics,
Yeah.
Google Search Console. If you're focused on Bing, you'll want to use Bing Webmaster Tools as well. There's also some alternatives to those tools. So there's things like Adobe Analytics as well and other analytics platforms. But generally speaking, if you're optimizing for Google, it's a good bet to use Google's own products.
Yeah. What are some important metrics that, say, beginner SEOs should start looking at?
So generally speaking, we like to look at how keywords are performing that we're optimizing for. So we might look at average position of those keywords, how many clicks those keywords are receiving, impressions, click-through rates. And then when we look at the analytics side, we like to look at things like sessions, conversions, and user engagement. So time spent on page, bounce rate, things like that.
Right. And those two are available in Google tools?
So using both Google Analytics and Google Search Console, you can get a lot of different information about how both queries and pages are performing. Within Search Console specifically, you can see how much traffic you've driven from Google on the individual keyword level.
Okay. Presumably you can only get data on your own websites, not other people's websites through Google's tools. How would you get a view of your competitors or the sort of the competitive landscape around you?
Sure. So that's where third-party tools come in, and there's a lot of them. And those tools will basically take a picture of how different sites are performing for a very large index of keywords, and you can kind of monitor how your site ranks for a set index of keywords compared to your competitors.
Great. That's useful information. Thanks very much.